How many times we landscape artists run out of ideas on what to paint? We often end up scrolling through Instagram and Pinterest for hours, feeling mentally exhausted and end up with no energy to paint. To solve this problem, I came up with the idea of creating landscape prompt cards for idea generation and inspiration. We will start by learning to paint 3 distinct landscapes, and then we will discover how to transform these paintings into prompt cards. We will also explore the creative process of making textured wallpapers using leftover paints from our palette. These textured papers will be used to craft little card holders for our prompt cards. This class is filled with creativity, so be prepared to get inspired and let your creativity flow. I hope you are as excited as I am about creating these prompt cards, which will save us valuable time and energy. Every day you can just pick one card from each set and you will be brimming with fresh ideas and inspiration to start your painting session. So if you're someone who adores painting landscapes like me but often struggles with finding ideas, this class is designed to help you tap into your creative spirit. Alright, so go ahead and hit that enroll button and I will meet you inside the class.